Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to quickly create a custom child theme for Divi or Extra, no coding required, using the Divi Child Theme Generator. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Divi Child Theme Generator. This free tool helps you build a fully functional child theme in just a few clicks. Start by choosing your parent theme, either Divi or Extra. Next, fill in your theme details. Theme name. This one is mandatory. The other ones are optional. Description. Add a short description of what it's for. Version. You can stick with 1.00 or set your own version number. Theme website. This is optional, but you can link to a project or documentation page. Author. Enter your name or business name. Author website. Another optional field for linking to your site. You can also upload a screenshot that will show up in your WordPress dashboard. The recommended size is 1200 by 900 pixels, and it supports PNG, JPG, or GIF. Want to start customizing right away? Add your custom CSS or jQuery code here, and it'll be included in your child theme automatically. When you're done, click Generate Child Theme. It'll instantly download a zip file that's ready to upload to WordPress. Now let's install your new child theme. Make sure that the parent theme is already installed, either Divi or Extra. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Head to Appearance and then to Themes. Click on Add New, and then on Upload Theme. Upload your zip file, click Install Now, then activate it. After you activate the child theme, you'll see it listed under Appearance Themes, and here's where your details show up. Screenshot. This is the image you uploaded. If you skip this, WordPress shows a blank thumbnail. Theme name, displayed at the top of the theme card. Version, appears next to the theme name. Author name, displayed as a clickable link under the theme name. You entered the link in the author website field. Description will show under the author. This is a great way to personalize your child theme, especially if you're handing it off to a client or showcasing your work. Now you can start adding your custom code to the child theme. Go to Appearance and then to the Theme File Editor. Here, you'll see your style.css file for custom CSS, functions.php for PHP functions, and a jQuery file if you included any custom JavaScript. Before we wrap up, let's cover a couple of common issues and how to solve them quickly. Issue 1. I don't see the Theme File Editor option. This is often caused by a security plugin disabling file editing. Check your plugin settings for an option to allow it. If you don't find anything there, your web host might be blocking access. In that case, contact your hosting provider for help. Issue 2. The parent theme could not be found. This error means WordPress can't find the Divi or Extra parent theme. Make sure you've installed the correct parent theme, either Divi or Extra. Also, check that the folder is named exactly Divi or Extra. If WordPress renamed it, for example to Divi1, you'll need to rename it back using FTP or your file manager. And that's it. You've got everything you need to build, install, and edit your Divi or Extra child theme.